in this problem, we have a, b are two roots of this cubic equation here. We need to prove the product ab as a number is a root of the other cubic equation. Now here we would like to review for cubic equation with coefficient a, b, c, d. If there are three roots here, r, s, t, then the Vieta formula says that this relation is very useful. And in our case, we care about RST, the product of three roots, equals negative d over a, the constant term. Alright? So that's a useful fact for cubic equation and their roots. Now, a lot of times we're dealing with cubic equation with leading coefficient a equal to 1. In this case, of course, when a equal to 1, the equation becomes, simpler form here. Now let's go back to the original question. We're given that a, b are two roots for this equation, and we try to figure out a, b is a root of the new cubic equation. Alright? So here, now the three roots, right? So what is the other root? Let's call it c. Let's assume c is the other root of this cubic equation here. We will know that from Vieta formula, ABC, the product is going to be negative 1. Alright? So which means ABC, they should be non-zero because the product equal negative 1. Now we're going to know that AB is negative 1 over C. Okay? That's what we know. Now what we need to prove? We need to prove that AB as a number is a root for this new equation here. In other words, plugging AB in order to prove that it's equivalent to prove this equation here. Now what is AB? We're going to replace with 1 over C, negative sign here. So plug in that. This is the equivalent. And in order to prove this, it is okay to multiply C cubed on both sides. So we need to prove this. Let's rewrite it. We need to prove this. But then this is obviously true because C is the root of the original equation, and this is indeed the original equation. C is the root of this. So of course C satisfies this. And then we can go backwards until, and here we say that AB is indeed the root of the new the cubic equation here. Alright? So I hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe to the channel.